Today, we're exploring how Paycom Visual Core supports businesses with a solution that adapts and grows with them. Can you introduce yourself and give us a quick recap of what Visual Core offers?
Absolutely. I'm Ella from Paycom, and we help businesses take control of their security and operations using smart, unified solutions. Many teams juggle separate tools and rising costs as they try to scale. Visual Core combines access control, intrusion alarms, centralized alarm monitoring, and video into one easy-to-use platform, designed to grow with your business over time.
So, what makes Visual Core such a long-term solution?
What's great about Visual Core is its flexibility. Whether you're managing one local site or 1,000 around the globe, it's designed to scale with you. Thanks to its modular hardware and cloud-based design, it can expand seamlessly without requiring major infrastructure changes.
That sounds ideal for growing businesses. How does Visual Core stay relevant over time?
We're constantly evolving the platform with our in-house development team and third-party technology partners. Whether that's new features, video analytics, or integration with smart devices. This means customers always have access to the latest capabilities without needing a full system overhaul.
Thank you. So how does pricing work for something that's so scalable?
Visual Core uses a subscription model, so costs are predictable. This helps with budgeting, especially when expanding. You can start small and scale as needed, without unexpected surprises.
Can you give some brief examples of how businesses use this adaptability in the real world?
Sure. Banks struggling with fragmented systems can manage access, alarms, and video across every branch from one platform to simplify control rooms and speed response. Utilities with dispersed, hard-to-reach sites can upgrade site by site to maintain continuity and centralize oversight from one console. Warehouses growing from 3 to 20 sites can scale on one platform without major infrastructure changes, keeping operations consistent. Whatever your industry or size, Visual Core adapts.
This sounds like the kind of solution that grows with you. What should viewers do next if they're interested?
Request a no-obligation demo today and see how Visual Core can adapt to their business.